For me, photography is my life. I like to use the camera to present the perfect moment to others. There are a lot of photographers in the world, and I'm just one of them, and I'm not famous. The more photos I capture, the more I love photography. But when I return to reality, the heavy work, and being criticised by my boss, I have no choice but to give up my dream of photography for my family and our future. Today, I finally got a chance to change my life. Kase keeps my dream alive. I'm no longer alone on the road toward my dream. I can still use the limited time I have to capture the unlimited scenery, the beauty of every moment. With my beloved camera, I embark on my crazy adventure. Travel abroad, under the sky in a no man's land, waiting for the sunrise in the wilderness. The stars leave traces of movement in the night sky. The sunshine gleams from the horizon. The extraordinary storm beneath the sea. The magnificent creativity of nature. Everything has come true now. I yearn for freedom. How about you?